Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to present our group project that is related to a web page. So, how we can create a website or web page using a free tool like Canva or Wix. I'm going to use Canva today. So, first of all, I'm going to introduce my team. First, our team members are Rakshit Deswal, Parth Hitendra Patel, Gursharan Singh, and Vishal. So first of all, to creating a website, you have to log in, or you can just go on web and search Canva. Go on Canva's home page. Here you can see this is a Canva's home page. You can go to search bar, search for a website or web tool, whatever you want. I'm going to search a web page here. Press enter. So while clicking on it, you can search, it can open high quality web page templates for your design. It gives you lots of designs here. So you can see one thing here, some designs are having a little crown on it and some are not. So decide the templates that shows with the crown, that's only for pro users. We cannot use it. We can use the another one that are without a crown. So today I'm going to select one of these template that's looking around which is suitable for us today. Hmm, I'm going with the design by whom, this one. So I just do double click this and choose this template. So that gonna open you a new window for it. Oh, this is pro. We cannot use this. This is a pro one. We go with another one here. Mm, we can use this one as well. This is a special collection. So here we can customize this template. So you can see it gonna open you a new tab with this template. So here you're gonna work on this template as you like. First of all, it's gonna open you this page. You can see here the home file. You can use the different designs here. You can see the different designs. It's gonna show the template designs. There are the option for elements, different type of elements, emojis. You can use photos using line, circle, graphics, videos, online videos, and different type of frames and charts and many more. And you can search whatever you want. So you can upload your pictures, audio files, and from social media tools in your web page, images, videos, and audios. And you can even record yourself as well. You can upload text from the text button, add a heading, subheading, and whatever the title, the bit of your body text, whatever you want, you can insert in this template. So there are your it give you option for projects that you have done before and the different type of apps. So what I gonna do, I gonna use this template. So first of all, I don't want to this bold. I want to do here. So everything on this page is editable first of all. So first I'm going to edit this one, this text. So click this text, change its size, make it a little bold, change its color, whatever you like, white, black, it's gonna give you that. So here you can insert a different pictures and everything. I'm going to go to design, search for a home sense. I'm going to use this home sense. Home sense. Yeah. So any picture that you like, you want to use on your web, need someone to stay, everything. Like I'm gonna like this picture. So here, how you can add this picture to this? Just double click and drag to here. Look, it's gonna give you a new picture over this. So if you wanna use another page, you can add a page from this. This is a new page. You can use another image. Anyone you like, go drag, use this. That's gonna give you work. And so here you can, the main thing on your website is, or web page templates, there are just small links and clicks that you can use. So here there are a foundation. So if you want to make this as a link, you can just click here and go to this bar. You can see a different type of options available here. So I'm going to make this as our link. Go here, click, there's a chain, you can click on it. It's gonna give you a thing to insert a link. So here, anyone, you can insert a link from a web, or you can choose your site, like that your template you are creating, first or second page. I'm going to use my first page as a link. So link is added now. So here you can see your web page, and then you have an option to share this. So you can even send it to your groups, teams, web page, so they can work, or they can check the work you are doing your web page, everything. So here's the link access. You can use, only you can access it, or this design will be publicly available for anyone. It's up to you. So here, first of all, I'm going to present and check it that how it gonna look like. So it gonna show me that how it looks like. So here is our page. So this link is going to work as well. These are our web page that we choose, right? So I gonna save it and download this as well, or you can share a link as well. So you can download this file in your computer. So here I just click the download and just download this. Now I'm able to open this page in my computer, and wherever I save this and go for the link, and that just open this website for me. So this is the easiest tool I found to create a website, and it's for free. I know it's not taking 2 seconds to create a page, but it is even too long. So we can use this tool. This is very easy to use. I hope I covered all the steps to make a website using Canva, and hope you guys like this video of us and contribution of our team. They gonna help a lot in making these steps easier for you. Hope you all guys like this. Thank you so much.